Kids, are you looking for a cute and creative way to add some Disney magic? Show me the Disney magic on your dining table. Yes or no? Yes. Let's make this adorable Minnie Mouse Tissue Holder perfect for parties, kids' room, or homemade gifts.
We need 2 black, 2 red semicircles. Cut a big black and 2 small circle for the Mickey Mouse face.
Minnie Mouse face.
Minnie Mouse face. See? We need 2 rectangular strips.
For the base.
Firstly, we will paste the 2 ice cream sticks on the first rectangular strip, like this.
Keep both the strips, both the wooden ice cream sticks on the rectangular sheet, and another one also,
Yes.
and then paste
The black, and then glue the black.
Then we will glue it,
Then we will glue the black strip.
and now
See,
this is our base.
our base are ready. Our
Ready.
base is ready. Paste googly eyes and heart for mouth for the Minnie Mouse. Decorate it with pearls and flowers. Take a watch of a Minnie Mouse and paste it like this. We will make the bow with the help of ribbon and paste it on the top of the Minnie Mouse. We can decorate it with the flower sequins. In the world of glitter, red and black, Minnie stands with the tissue stacks. With ears so round and bow bright,
She brings
she brings your table so delight. Messy hands and crumbs of all, she is always there to help you all. See, she crafted to love and smile and grace. Minnie brings
smile to
smile to all the place.